I'll give you 5 equations that you can use to tackle any question that comes out in your stoichiometry. 5 equations. Now let's look at that. Number of moles equals to mass over molar mass. Now the unit for number of moles in mole, mass in gram, molar mass in gram per mole. Okay. Number 2, number of moles equals to molar concentration times volume in dm3. Is molar concentration equals to mass concentration over molar mass. Your molar concentration is in mole per dm cube, or it is molarity, molar, okay? Then your mass concentration is concentration in grams per dm cube. Your molar mass is mole per dm cube. All right? Now, that is that. The fourth equation is 1 mole of a substance equals to 6.02 times 10 raised to 23 atoms or particles. All right? 1 mole of a substance equals 6.02 times 10 raised to 22 atoms or particles. And the last one is 1 mole of a gas has a volume of 22.4 dm cube. That means 1 mole of a gas equals 22.4 dm cube by volume at STP, that's standard temperature and pressure, STP. Now, these 2 equations, number 4 and 5, together are called Avogadro's constant. It's 0.5 mole of magnesium sulfate with X amount of water crystallization. All right, as a mass of this, calculate the value of X. So what are you going to do in this situation? The number of mole. So what are the parameters given? Number of mole is what? 0.50 mole. As a mass, the mass of the substance is 123 grams. And then this, they are asking us to calculate the value of X. So calculating the value of X simply means you are going to have to find the molar mass of every of this substance, magnesium sulfate, and then number of water crystallization, could be dehydrate, whatever we're going to know. All right. So we have to find the molar mass. So can you try to recall from the first set of equations I listed from the 5, which equation combines number of mole and mass? And that equation 1 says number of mole, okay, equals to mass over molar mass. Now, let's solve this. How do we make molar mass the subject of formula? This is over 1, you cross multiply. So we're going to have number of mole times molar mass is equals to mass. Okay? Remember, we're trying to find molar mass. So you divide both sides by number of mole. Number of mole. So if I divide number of mole by number of mole, then we now have our molar mass is equals to mass over number of mole. So we're going to use this to solve now. So our molar mass is going to be, what is the mass given? 123 divided by, what is the number of mole? The number of mole is 0.5. I can be sure it's 246. The molar mass is gram per mole. All right. But note, we were asked to find the value of X. So the next thing you want to do is you now equate the formula magnesium sulfate dot SH2O equals to 246. Magnesium has a molar mass of 24. You were given, so 24 plus sulfur is 32 plus oxygen is 16 multiplied by 4. 16 by 4 plus X into brackets. Hydrogen is 1 times 2. That is 2 plus 16. Oxygen is 16. So what is it?